afternoon, everyone. My name is Chris Cooper, known as the Channel Guy Trader, and I'm reporting to you live from Wall Street Trading Satellite Office down in sunny South Florida. Today's date is Friday, December the 21st, 2012, and here is today's midday market update. Want to first off by saying that I just got back from New York, so please excuse us if we have not been able to put out the videos, as most of my main equipment to record the videos is in my home office over here in Florida. So I just got back, so we'll have the videos back in rotation, and we will continue to provide the good, accurate analysis that we are known for. In any case, let's go ahead and take a look at this market. I want to first start by taking a look to see what the indices are doing here. I'm going to look at the ETFs today. The triple Qs is down $1.42, down 2.15%. The SPY is down $1.97, down 1.37%. The IWM is down 96 cents, down 1.14%. If you guys are in the chat room, as you guys can see here on the screen, we normally trade in the chat room off the ES as you get a better accurate reading of the market on our end. That's our opinion. And we are down 22.5 points on the ES, down 1.54%. If you take a look what the ES did yesterday after hours, after the market was closed, we had Boehner come out, and basically I think they basically took a recession, as there's not enough votes that are going to be able to pass for the Plan B plan. Therefore, the market sold off. It had like a little mini flash crash, but that recovered pretty much instantly. But you can see the ES did sell off from a high after hours of 1440 all the way to a little flash low of 1390. Then we recovered right back in that 50-minute candlestick, and then we've been hovering around this little range, between 1415 and 1425. Going into the opening session, we had some levels to watch for the market. We had support 1 as 1415, support 2 1410, support 3 1405. As far as resistance, we had 1425, 1429, and 1435. As you can see here, we're coming into the market with the range-bound mentality, as that was what was going on after hours here, or basically overnight. And you can see here on the 15-minute chart, we had a nice little bull trap that took place over 1425, and we saw it off back down towards 1418. Matter of fact, actually, when this thing reversed back below that 1425 in our chat room, we called the market for a short around this 1424 area, and our target was 1418. That target got hit. So any of you guys that trade the futures out there, you're more than welcome to come to our chat room, mywallstreettv.com, to see how we maneuver through the market via the ES to trade our stocks. Now, taking a look at what we have going forward for the afternoon session, as long as we can hold above this 1418 area, 1416 and a half area, I would assume that we're probably going to try to pop back up towards the top of the range. Same thing goes on across the board. As far as what the market's doing, some stocks that we were watching this morning that we talked about this morning, we had Netflix was a gap down. Didn't really focus much on that, but you had RIM, you had WAG, some stocks that were in play, Tibbix, Nike, Red Hat. One stock that we did call out for the chat room this morning, let me go ahead and drag this over. All right, give me 1 second. Just fixing this here so I can show you guys. All right, so one stock that we did mention this morning was RIM. All right, and this is the setup that I have on my screens right now. You have the 1 minute, your 5 minute, your 15 minute, then your hourly chart all the way to the right. But we mentioned RIM getting a bounce here just for the fact that it was down a lot. It was coming into its little pre-market support. So let me put the extended session here so you can see what I'm talking about. It was coming near its pre-market low, so it sold off a little bit, and then right around this 1160 area, all right, it was trading right around the 200-day exponential moving average of the daily chart. So we were looking for a little short-term reversal for the fact that it was oversold. Expecting it to go back over 12. That's exactly what it did. Call this out for a long around 1177. You can see it trade all the way to a high of 1240. Another stock that we called out was Newmont Mining, NEM, as the gold miners were showing some decent strength, relative strength in the morning. Gold actually tried to get a bounce as well. And you can see here, Newmont Mining gave you a nice little entry off this little bull flag. We call this long around 1445, 1450. I actually mentioned it on the Twitter stream as well. So make sure you're following us on the Twitter stream. First target was 4480. Next target was 45. You can see it hit a high of 4505. So we have some good stuff going on, guys. If you guys are looking to get involved, make sure you come check out our website, wallstreettrading.com, and sign up for the 14-day free trial to our My Wall Street TV live trading room, where you can see our basically the screen that I'm showing you guys right now, and we talk about the market, analyze, and we have a lot of good news sources that get relayed in the room. And that's about it, guys. So I hope you guys are having a great day. Be on the lookout for the stock market weekend review, which will be out by I would say by Sunday evening for sure. I'm trying to put it out by Saturday evening. And again, we're back in rotations with the midday market updates, the after the bell market summaries, the weekend reviews, and we're going to be adding pre-market. We're going to be adding a pre-market warm-up where we're going to discuss the levels to watch in the market, what's going on the macro level, global level, what's going on with gold, oil, silver, all that good stuff, and the stocks that we're watching in the morning. So be on the lookout for that video to come as well. Sunday night, 9:30 p.m. Come check out the chat room. We'll be doing our live chart session where we get prepared for the following trading week, where we go over stock ideas and take a look at what happened with the market. So, in any case, we're back up and running, guys. Hope you guys had a great weekend. Hope you guys have a great weekend, and I'll catch you guys for the weekend review. Have a great day. Cheers.